morning, bro chachos. It's Easter Sunday, and it's been a good weekend for some surfers. On Good Friday, we had, I guess, essentially most of the beaches completely written off, between about 10 and 12 foot waves. They're really messy and dangerous. But there was one little place where a lot of guys went and they got some like solid 6-footers. Then Saturday, it was still quite big, and there wasn't a lot of people surfing around the stretch. Dixon Park and Bar Beach, there were some really big waves, probably up around the 6+ foot mark. And today is more my size, bro chachos. I think it's going to be around about 3 foot. So that's when I get in the water. 3-4 foot. That's when I like it. It's good for the back. I still get out, have a bit of fun, and yeah, I live to fight another day. So Easter Sunday, I'm guessing today, if it's nice and clean, there's going to be a million guys out. So, which is understandable, because a lot of guys like me who don't go out in massive surf, they'd be chomping at the bit to get out and have a shred session today. So I popped around to Merewether because just see if it's a little bit cleaner here. Certainly swell, some beautiful waves, but we'll see. See if she's working. Yeah, nice lines, nice and clean. This is my style. It certainly looked clean, but no one's getting waves. I watched it for about 10 minutes and there wasn't one wave caught, and there's about 20 to 30 guys out. So what that means is it's extremely slow, and you probably in an hour you might get 2 or 3 waves if you're lucky. So whilst it was cleaner than my local beach, I think it was going to be a lot of work and a lot of waiting. I'm gonna head around to Blacksmiths, and it's low tide, so you know, we'll see. It's about a 25-minute drive, 30-minute drive from here, but that'll be my last stop. If I don't find a wave there, then yeah, I'll head home. And that's sad, because today was kind of the day I was earmarking a nice surf. But yeah, it's just the way it is. So I'm just driving down the stretch of Blacksmiths at the moment, and there's a lot of cars, so it tells me there's a lot of surfers out. But we'll have a look at the Blacksmiths beach car park and see if that's chock-a-block. And if that is, then, well, it doesn't really mean that the surf's on. It just means there's a lot of people at the beach. So yeah, well, the car park's pretty empty, so you know what that tells me, bro chachos? The surf's shit. Ah, dear, oh dear. But we'll see. It's very, it's unbelievable. It's quite small here, and it looks like it's cross shore, but down there it's all right. I'm gonna get out and have a bit of fun, bro chachos. The water looks beautiful. You know what time it is, bro, chachas. It's time to shred. Well, one thing for sure, it's a beautiful day. There's not a million guys out, and there's plenty of little waves. What a day, bro, chachas, what a cracking day. I'm getting a bit knackered, bro, Charchos. Oh, no, I'm not. I feel good. Okay. Got to get out the back quick before another set comes. Okay, so I made it back out and adjust. I got it, mate. I got it. Yeah. Probably should have let him take it, but I thought it might have been a good left, but no, it was a straight hander. I think that'll do me, bro, Charchos. I've had a better surf than I thought I was going to, so I'm going to sign off and adios amigos.